Good day! We will be doing a presentation and our study topic is Alternative Fertilizer for Sustainable Development of Crop Production, Efficacy of Combined Application of Poultry Manure and Food Waste as an Organic Fertilizer for Maize, Zia Maize L at Damulog, Bukidnon. Here are the summary of our presentation. And the presenter will be myself, Suzette Berdera, Kyle Anthony Barcinal, Precious Eve Basco, Angel May Bautista, and Riaza May Belong. Corn production is very important because many farmers depend on corn farming as their primary source of income. Due to the increasing demand of maize, chemical fertilizer needs are also expanding and many farmers are affected. Thus, we concluded the following objectives. This study generally aims to assess the efficacy of combined application of poultry manure and food waste as an organic fertilizer for maize. Specifically, it aims to formulate the organic fertilizer, measure the growth and yield development of maize, and compare the effects of organic fertilizer from chemical fertilizer.
Review of related literature. This chapter reviews relevant literature and studies from both international and domestic sources. Sustainable development was already emerging as a leading principle for the future, Weber et al. 2017. It is as valuable as it can be used for food as corn flour, animal feed, and even bio-based plastic, Chu 2017. Fertilizer is a natural and synthetic chemical-based substances that is used to enhance plant growth and fertility, Sarafeda et al. 2001. From the word organic, is grown is made without the use of artificial chemicals. Organic fertilizer are coming from animals, plants, and rock powders. Galendez IL et al. 2017. Approximately 1.5 billion hectares of fertile and 20% of the world agriculture area is used manually to produce food that is lost or waste. Ambog et al. 2017. The application of organic manures has significant influence on maize productivity and soil physiochemical properties. Mahmoud 2017.
Methods of data gathering and analysis. We, the researcher, do the field experiment to create an output and use experimental analysis to gather data. In entry protocol, we secure the letter of permit personally to the researcher and to the owner of the study site. In the preparation of materials, we prepare the needed things in collecting poultry manure, its container, and food waste storage. In the collection and formulation of the fertilizer, the composted poultry manure was collected using shovel and the food waste from kitchen garbages. In the establishment of the study area and sampling design, the poultry manure and food waste will be used as an organic fertilizer for the maize production. And in the photograph, a digital camera is always present to take pictures during the field experiment and to be secured as the database for information and for future references.
I am Kyle Anthony Barcinal and I will be discussing the findings. Based on Table 1, it shows the result of the growth of maize in its first week that was fertilized with combined application of poultry manure and food waste as an organic fertilizer within 3 weeks. On Table 2, it shows the result of the growth of maize in its first week using chemical fertilizer within 3 weeks. In this graph, it shows the comparison between the organic and chemical fertilizer with respect to the growth in inch of maize within 3 weeks. And the second graph, it shows the comparison between organic and chemical fertilizer with respect to yield in cm of maize within 3 weeks. And as a result, the combined application of poultry manure and food waste as organic fertilizer is effective compared to chemical fertilizer.
According to the findings of a research study, the state of plant growth and yield development is at a higher rate of maturity when poultry manure and food waste are used as organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizer components aid maize development by allowing it to absorb more nutrients from the organically enriched soil. Moreover, when comparing the growth of maize with chemical and organic fertilizers, the results show that organic fertilizer is more effective than chemical fertilizer.